Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kartra for your online business, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Kartra for your online business, start by visiting the official Kartra website. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to choose a pricing plan that fits your needs. Select the plan that best suits your business model. After selecting a plan, click on the Continue button. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Make sure to read the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've reviewed the terms, check the box to agree. Then, click on the Create My Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Go to your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Kartra. Click on the activation link provided in the email. This will redirect you to the Kartra dashboard. Here, you will find an introductory video and user guide. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, set up your business profile. Click on the Account Settings option. Input your business name and contact information. Upload your company logo if you have one. Now, let's integrate your payment methods. Navigate to the Payment Integrations section. Choose your preferred payment gateway, such as PayPal or Stripe. Follow the prompts to connect your account. Once connected, set your currency and other payment options. Now it's time to create your first product. Go to the Products tab and select Add New Product. Choose between physical or digital products based on your offering. Fill in the necessary details like product name, price, and description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.